talk about what is electromagnetism, but also explain the magnetism and the electromagnetism. The first things that we have is engineers apply principles of magnetism to create innovative devices that improves daily life, such as the life-saving medical equipment advanced computing system. Intelligence robot and specialized electronic magnetism originates from the movement of charged particles like electrons producing force that attract the complex magnetic materials including the cobalt and rare alloys with a strength and varying by distance or charge amount in atoms, electrons typically in spin and random orientations in the ordinary matter, but in magnets, they are aligned spin generates uniform magnetic field that with the north and south poles of highest intensity where opposite poles attract and like the poles repels. We all understand that our generation is a very sophisticated technologically advancement of devices that we have in this generation. The second that we have is the three types of magnets and categories by their category size. The first one is permanent magnets. Emits magnetic field without the ancestral source of electric power of magnetism. They do not easily lose their magnetism. When you say permanent, it is a strong motion or force that it can not only move easily. Ito yung permanent magnet na natawag natin na hindi basta-basta ito natatanggal. Kaya nga sinabing permanent. The second that we have is temporary magnets. When they outside the forces and become magnetized, when they are around a stronger magnet, they will lose their magnetism gradually when the other magnet and magnetic field is removed. Temporary magnets. We all understand that also the temporary magnets is not stronger enough to attract each other. Na kung saan, tinatawag ng temporary, natatanggal din to. And the third is electromagnets. Are created when the electric current passes through a coil in the metal core, which is known as the solenoid. The strength of the magnetic field depends on the number of loops in the coil and strength of current. Pag sinabing electromagnets, ito yung gumagamit ng superficially natural motion na kung saan sa magnets nga, nasa words na electro, gumagamit siya ng electronic. And that's all, and thank you.
Similarities and differences of magnet and electric charge. Magnet and electric charge share several parallels, including the presence of north and south poles, analogs to positive and negative charge, where like poles or charge repel and opposite attract, and both generate fields with similar behaviors and properties. A fundamental difference is that isolated positive or negative charge can exist independently, whereas magnets are always poles with inseparable north and south poles. Even when broken apart, electric field lines originate from positive charge and terminate in negative ones, while magnet field lines from closed loop without endpoints, and the force between loops without endpoints. Between charge follows an inverse square law per Coulomb's law, compared to the more complex inverse cubic depends for magnetic dipole force. Is Ni north at Si south. Basta electric charge ay Ni positive at Si negative. Cannot isolate poles, no monopoles, and can isolate charge, can have plus and negative charge separately. Interaction. N repels N, S repels S, and attract S. Its electric charge. Positive repels positive, negative repels negative, positive attracts negative. Force is more complicated than 1 divide R to the power of 2 relationship for dipose, and force obeys 1 divide R to the power of 2 relationship for point charge. Fields. Field points away from N and towards S. North, papunta siya kay south, then dito sa electric charge ay positive, papunta kay negative. Field points away from positive and towards to negative. Now beginning or end to field lines with electric charge. Lines start on positive charge and end on negative charge.
In the early 1800s, people believed that electricity and magnetism were two completely separate phenomena. But in 1820, ang dami scientists ay contrasted with a remarkable discovery. During one of his basic lecture, Ørsted noticed that a compass needle moved with a nerve wire carrying an electrical current. This means that electricity could create a magnetic field. This discovery led to the important conclusion that electricity possesses a magnetism, in other words, moving electric charge to create a magnetic field. Sabi nga po dito sa dito po sa mayan. When there is no current in the wire, the compass needle stay in its normal position. Ibig sabihin po, wala po siyang daloy ng kuryente. Dito naman po sa may current in the wire, pag nilagay na po siya doon, meron po siyang daloy ng kuryente. Ibig sabihin po, yung compass needle ay siya po yung gumagalaw dahil po sa kanyang electrical magnetism.
Electromagnetism. Electromagnetism is the fundamental force governing interaction between atoms and molecules through electrical charge, and while permanent magnets will produce strong static fields, they often lack sufficient strength or compatibility, leading to the use of electricity for creating adjustable magnetic fields. Strong electromagnets are built by winding wires around the soft magnetic core like iron and nickel are used in various electrical systems, and highlighting the interconnectedness of electricity and magnetism. The electric current flows through a conductor such as a wire. It generates a magnetic field that encircles the wire in continuous line and intersecting circular loops with the field's direction and that circles, determined by the current flow exhibiting greater intensity near the conductor due to certain flux paths and weakening further away as loops. Magnetic fields a vector field in the neighborhood of a magnet, electric current, or changing electric field, in which magnetic forces are observable. Magnetic fields such as that of Earth was magnetic compass needles and other magnet collide up in the direction of the field. Magnetic fields was moving electricity charge particles in a circular or spherical path. This force exerts on electric currents in a magnetic field, underlying the operation of electric motors. Nakikita natin sa picture kung paano gumagana ang electromagnetism. Yung pinapaliwanag dito na kapag may current na dumadaloy sa isang conductor, nagkakaroon ng magnet sa paligid ng conductor. Pinapakita rin ito paano nagbabago ang direksyon ng magnet depende sa kung paano dumadaloy ang current. Yung isa yung natin dito sa left side. Clockwise siya, tapos dito sa kabila, yung anti-clockwise. Nakikita natin na magkaiba yung dito yung sa box. Yung isa sa yung clockwise, compass ng needle, tapos sa kabila, dahil sa magnetic flux.
Magnetic field. Ang magnetic field ay parang magnet lang na hindi nakikita ang persa pero nararamdaman. Ang magnetic field ay maaaring humilaw o tumulak ng iba pang mga magneto o isang metal. Sa lahat na nakikita natin, sa paligid ay merong itong magnetic field na sinasabi ko na hindi natin ito nararamdaman. Narito ang mga example ng mga magnetic field. Ang mga bar magnet, electromagnet, tapos iba pa na tawag rin, this magnet. Kung walang magnetic field sa atin, mahalaga ito kasi ito ang parang magpatakbo sa pangalaman ng device natin mula sa paggamit sa bahay at habang pag-imbak ng mga dito sa mga credit card at computer at credit card. Bukod dito, pinoprotektahan din tayo ng magnetic field ng kahit mula sa mga misalang solar radiation at ginagamit ng industrial para maghiwalay ng